found. Kitty moved beds. Were you getting bored? You ought to been. You've been in that bed for like a month. I ate all the food out of it tonight. They are doing so good. Hey, you looking at your brothers? Hey, they're doing, aw, look. They're doing great. They're totally fine with the door open. Hi, Sugar. It's good because, oh, hi, guys. Who wants, oh, look at appetite stimulants. My favorite thing about them is that, okay, so you're getting your eyes cleaned and now yours are dirty, for God's sakes. Look you, oh, Helen, look. They're so cute. They're so happy to be together. You can totally board these guys together in the future. You don't need 2 rooms. Hi. Brr, I know. So the beautiful thing about those appetite stimulants, I don't know if you know much about them, but they're actually antihistamines is what they are. And their side effect is feeling confident and happy and hungry. So they're the greatest things ever because, I mean, you don't even have asthma, do you? But who's happy? Oh, listen to that purr. You are so cute. Hi. And you know what I like is that we've got him behind that little curtain because he likes it that way. But now he can see more, you know, but he sees not us. He sees like the kitties and everybody's happy. This is great. This makes me so happy. Tomorrow's my day off. Nancy's going to be with you guys. This is awesome. Nothing makes me happier than you guys all just fat and happy. Fat and happy. That is not a jump. If you want to go down, you have to go that way. What are you doing? Hi, precious. You're just going to go in and out all day? That's kind of cute. Oh, are you coming in to see me? Hi. Don't they look great? I'm telling you, that pill helped them. Did you just give a sniffle? Don't you dare. Don't you dare get no kitty cold. I always worry when cats don't eat because they get stressed and then they get themselves sick because they all carry the feline herpes virus. 80% of them do, and that comes out in sneezing. What are you doing? I am going to clean your eyes. I'm going to go get me a cotton ball. Yeah? Ears are clean. Professionally. Every morning. You're very cute. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Aren't they the cutest? Celeste is checking. Don't they look great? I mean, whole new set of cats. You know why? Because they're full and they're not dehydrated and they're not hungry and they don't think they're hungry when they're not eating anyway, but you know, look at, these are healthy, happy cats. Oh, you can play scratcher on me. Go get it, get it. Oh, this makes me so happy. I'm going to send this to Nancy. They look great, even though their eyes need cleaning again. I'm doing everybody's eyes. I know you signed up for, I forget who, Jasper or something. I'm not the feeder, or the eye cleaner, but every time I come in, I'm like, oh, another kitty needs their eyes done. You guys are so cute. You guys, oh, I'm so happy. All right, I hope this makes you happy. I hope you're having a good trip. I know you're really worried about them. Trust me, we worry harder than owners. Like, we'll lose sleep before you do. They're doing great. Hi, cute face. Hi, cute face. Aw, they're so happy. I really hope you have a great trip because they're gaining weight. They're happy. They're not sleepy. They're enjoying walking around. They're using all the vertical space. They're hanging out together. They're totally fine with the door open all the time. It's really nice. This just makes me really happy. I hope this is a great kitty mail. Write me back and tell me you love my kitty mail. Or you love your kitties anyway. It's hard not to love this kitty mail because you guys are all being dark. Look at you. You. I thought you were supposed to hide behind the curtain. Where's your curtain? The great and powerful Oz has come out from behind the curtain. Rawr. All right. I'm going to send Celeste in here with 3 wet cotton balls. And a scratching post. All right. You want to be held. Okay. I'll hold ya. There we go. This is going to be the longest video I ever sent to Mama. I hope this Mama's happy. Your Mama love you. She's very, 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 very worried. You are ready for a playroom. I think you're right. I think they can go. Nancy will put them in there tomorrow. But they have been not this social, trust me, and not this running around. They've been really holed up. You guys are doing good now, huh? Yay. Kitty Meow.